I'm teaching my friend how to play the game. He got his game last night, and he's learning how to play. I'm trying to teach him. You're gonna have to end the call.
Okay, so how do I record? How do I record?
So go to your Oculus button. You see the picture of Gorilla Tag?
Yes.
So do you see the one where it shows a camera?
Yeah.
Go over one, and it says start recording. Click on it, and then push the slidey thing to where it shows blue, and push start recording.
Record video. Start recording. Oh shoot! I need to include mic audio. All right. Monkey VR teaching me how to play Gorilla Tag.
I'm over here. So do you want to start by running? Do you want to start by running? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna start by teaching you how to run a little bit faster. Hold on, let me fix my controller. Okay. So, you know how to do one hand before the other?
Hold on, I can barely hear you.
One hand before the other?
Hold on, so I go back. J-Man Curly said parallel.
Yeah, don't push up, push straight. And then, so this is, the next one I'm gonna teach you isn't really kind of fast, but it's called Funny Run. Do this. And then,
Okay, let's see if I can do it now. Oh dang! I cannot do it. Okay, so, do you think? No, I definitely not. Would you say I've gotten decent at running yet?
yeah, you're doing pretty good. But look, so do this, and then go in like a circular motion with your hands.
I don't go as fast doing that.
Here, try it now. You just gotta wait. Wait, tag me real quick. Okay, follow me. I'm gonna teach you how to get onto Stump.
Okay.
So you gotta jump up to there. Jump up to here. Nope, over here. Jump all the way over here.
How?
And then after this, I'm gonna show you a real long jump, not the one that J-Man Curly did.
Okay, I'll watch you from up here.
Okay, I gotta go over here though.
Guys, watch it. Hold on, I gotta fix this real quick. So.
What's wrong?
So you know how you like J-Man Curly uses a mat?
Oh yeah, is that what you're doing?
Yeah, so I just folded a blanket and it got like really stiff. But yeah, Monkey VR is basically a pro. You can do pretty much any mechanic. What mechanic can't you do?
I can't really do this juke. I'm up here.
Hold on, I'm going. I'll just cut out the part of this video.
Okay, so it's called the bridge juke. Okay, watch me.
Oh, I know it. Okay.
Don't fall.
What? How do you do that?
Ow! Oh, I hit my light. Oh, I hit my light.
Okay, he's dying.
Nope, I'm
Why do I
safe.
have
I'm
this
good.
purple dot on my screen?
Purple dot.
Yeah. It's like whenever I like.
Here, chase me, chase me.
Okay. So what do I need to learn now?
Um, I'll teach you how to wall climb.
Okay. Wall climbing.
I'm not good at wall climbing, but you just jump, push up to the corner. Hold on. Nope.
Okay.
Hold on. It's gonna be kind of hard for you with Rock Monkey. It's kind of too fast. Okay, look, watch, 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 watch. You go back and forth between the corner. Back and forth.
Okay.
But you gotta push
Ooh.
forward. You gotta push like side to side.
Okay, so I gotta.
And you asked if I could Lucio?
Yeah.
Look.
Okay. So how was some Lucioing?
Yeah, and he's watched a few videos at school while we're at school and learning how to do it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and teach him some more. These dumb freaking controllers.
Yeah, my tracking's doing good right now. So, yes, last night it wasn't.
Is your light off?
No, my light is.
Oh, dang, I fell.
What the heck? It just turned off.
What did?
Am I still recording? Still recording?
Oh! I just ran all the way up to Slippery.
Okay. Okay, so
Sorry, I'm just going
wall
crazy right
running
now.
is very difficult.
I'm just going wall running? This is wall running.
How do you do that? Like, just go straight. I'm pushing forward too.
Here, okay, so it's the same thing. Here, follow me.
Hold on, show me. Get right, like right here. And
Wait,
show
hold
me
on.
the arm movement that you do.
Ow! Oh, I hit my bed.
Yeah, I saw that. Okay, so show me the arm movement that you do at least. Like right here. Like don't go. Okay, like this.
Yeah, but like more spaced out.
Okay. Oh wait, I think I have it.
There you go. And
W.
then soon.
Okay. Okay, I can only do it like 3 times.
So have you been to the shop yet?
Yes, you need to help me choose my first cosmetic.
Okay, come on.
What?
I'm gonna be wall running until you get here.
Where are you?
What?
Yeah, they have fish food too.
Yeah. Where are you? Oh, you're over there. Once you get better, you can probably join the clan. You can
What does that mean?
It's just my girl tag clan.
Nah, it's fine.
Sorry about the boundary,
I'm not that
guys.
good.
My boundary's being weird.
Oh, frick! Okay, this is hard to...
You can't really do this yet. You can't really.
Hold on, I know I can... Yo, I did it.
Yeah, guys. I'm sorry for the. My